What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Detrucci, and today we are going to be reacting to Nightwish Procession. You guys haven't really talked about this one, so I'm interested to see why. Yeah, this is the I believe this is the 7th song on the new Nightwish album, Human Nature, which you can get now. Yeah, let's just dive right in and check this out. See what it's all about.
A cradle earth, a rising sun sea. New world and thirst for the arcane.
Whoa, 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 whoa. This hits right in my soul. Oh, I love this so far. We're not even started yet, and I already have the feeling that this is going to be epic beyond words. Okay, let's start again. Wow.
A cradle earth, a rising sun sea. New world and thirst for the arcane. We are singers of the gone.
Singers of the Gone.
We remember as along came life. A cradle earth, a rising sun sea. Birth of one.
Whoa.
And a zillion sideshows. We are, we were, and we'll not be.
Whoa, hey. We are, we will not be. It's talking about the extinction of mankind, I think.
Birth of one and a zillion sideshows. We are, we were, and we'll not be.
Okay.
We remember as along came acorn, another birth, another moss green.
Wow.
New world and thirst for the unseen. An empty zoo, a starlight feed down.
Wow.
We'll have a visit as along came heartbeat. Another birth, another monster.
Okay, is it talking about, it's talking about the birthing of a new humankind race? Because this one's extinct? I don't know. Let's just keep watching. I don't want to pause it too much.
As along came heartbeat. Another birth, another monster.
This song is beautiful.
Endless force to
Shout out to
voices
Endless
stronger. Menagerie of a new world order. We held our breath as along came suffering.
Oh, this is with the World Land Trust. The destruction of the planet. It's so sad. Oh, okay. Let's go try! Yes! This is awesome! Wow. Oh, this is so good! Okay.
We remember Father Big Iron gave the way
like, what? Oh, fuck. Oh, that did not just happen. Okay. You guys didn't warn me.
Gave the way as along came Savior. The cradle welcome in its newborn. And since that very first acorn, together now in this timeless parade,
I love this.
the living light, dead afraid. Then they saw the moon and found carried. We remember as along came writing, such worlds were there to stand again.
Wow. Oh, this is stunning.
After all, we should have never appeared. Spaceship Earth through the fields of time.
Yes.
They understood as along came wisdom. We have been here a while. At the end of time, as along came harvest. We will remember all the suffering we both have seen and tongue. You will understand words and melodies with a touch of coloring. We were there and we'll remember mankind's our kin. Hands up.
Wow. We will remember mankind, our kin. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't know how to comment on that. Okay, let's begin. I really think this song is an absolute beautiful masterpiece. This is my new favorite song. Shut up. I know. Every song that I listen to on this new album is my favorite. It just happens to be that way. And honestly, not a lot of albums really do that for me. There's been maybe about 3 or 4 in the entire last 20 years of me listening to music. So this is a really special album for me. If all the songs are good, I don't know. I mean, I still have 3 songs to go. I have Tribal, Endlessness, and I have the entire second disc. So who knows? But so far, this is really way above my expectations, to be honest. I like this song because it's simple, it's innocent. Like the way her voice is, it's innocent. It's not got that up and down kind of vocal structure that the previous songs have had. This is just clean. It's pure. It's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. The song has a very progressive feel to it. And so they start off with just the piano, like dun 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 dun, and you know it's like an epic piano, so you know it's gonna build up into something really amazing. And then they add in the vocals and they add in like the flutes, the drums and stuff, but they keep layering it on. They add it onto each other, and I like that. That's probably one of my favorite styles of a song. So I noticed that this song doesn't have a chorus, right? Did you guys notice that? This song does not have a chorus. The chorus is the entire song. The entire song is a chorus. It's a verse. It's a message to everyone. It really makes you open your eyes as well. Like there's so much suffering and pain within the world, and the way we're going is just leading to destruction, but everyone in the world's too scared to really do anything about it. And so it's just, yeah. This is a really good song. I think this is an amazing song. I don't know what to say to it. I mean, it makes you think though, because if mankind is our kin, right, and they're looking at this from the future and looking back, do they understand what's happened though? Because I don't think we understood what happened to the previous generation, if there was one. I don't know. It makes you think though, and it's sad. It's really sad. This is a very sad and eye-opening song, but it's so pure, and I love that. For me, the best songs in the world are the sad ones because they always have the most emotion. They have like that, the piano that comes in. It's just, yeah, they nailed this song absolutely, 100%. I'm so impressed with this one. But guys, hopefully you enjoyed this reaction. This is Procession. I really enjoyed this. I'm surprised you guys didn't talk about this one more, but I don't know. What are you gonna do, right? I'm excited to see this one live as well. It's gonna be like a sit back and relax kind of experience. But yeah, enough about my message. Trying to work out their message. The message is already there on the song. So guys, I don't know which one's tomorrow. It's either Tribal or Endlessness. One of those two. But come back tomorrow for the next one. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. You guys are amazing. I'm absolutely loving this journey so far, and I'll see you next time. Peace.